In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make low-quality video in CapCut PC. If you want that intentionally ruined look, whether it's a deep-fried meme, an old webcam vibe, or a pixelated retro style, CapCut makes it surprisingly easy. The goal here is to take clean footage and degrade it on purpose so it feels compressed, crunchy, and low resolution in a fun, stylized way. First, let's destroy the pixel resolution. Go to the Effects tab in the top left menu bar, then choose Video Effects. In the search bar, type Pixelate, or Mosaic. Once you find the effect, drag it directly onto your clip in the timeline. This is what gives your footage that blocky, low-detail appearance right away. After that, look over to the top right Properties panel and adjust the pixel size slider. As you increase the slider, the image breaks into bigger and bigger squares, which makes the video look much lower quality. If you want a subtle retro look, keep it moderate. If you want something exaggerated and messy, push it higher until the footage looks really crunchy. Next, let's add that noisy, over-processed texture that makes the effect feel more extreme. Select your clip on the timeline, then go to the top right panel under Adjustment. Scroll down until you find Noise and raise it. This adds visual grain and interference, which helps sell the low-quality aesthetic. Then turn Sharpen and Contrast way up. Sharpen makes the rough edges stand out more, and Contrast creates that harsh, blown-out look often seen in heavily compressed or reposted videos. After that, boost the saturation to push the colors into that distorted meme territory. This combination makes the clip feel aggressively edited in the best possible way for this style. Finally, let's lock in the low-resolution file format during export. Click the bright blue Export button in the top right corner. In the export settings, find Resolution and change it from 1080p down to 480p. That immediately lowers the output quality. Then set the bitrate to lower so CapCut compresses the file more heavily. This step is important because even if your preview looks degraded, exporting at lower settings makes sure the final file keeps that low-quality appearance instead of looking too clean. Once everything is set, click Export and your video will come out perfectly degraded and intentionally low quality. You're all set, and that's how to make low-quality video in CapCut PC.